Okay, in the spreadsheet from yesterday, we had a list of expenses, and at the bottom here we had an equals sum, and you can see if you click on a cell, the contents of the cell appear up here in the formula bar. So now I'm going to show you 3 different ways to tell if a cell has greater than, in this case, 400 pounds. COUNTIF, highlight the cells in question, see the marching ants, comma, speech marks greater than 400. Speech marks close the parentheses. There are 9. Now this is turned into a currency symbol, so I'm going to go up to the custom here and just make it a general, and that forces it to 9. You might want to say how many pounds. Now if this happens, you could double click on this column here to expand so it shows everything, but that makes everything above it the same width. So what I like to do, cell, and in the home tab, go up to wrap text. And then you can also middle align and center align so that everything's the same. Okay, so that's one way of doing it. That's equals COUNTIF. Let's now put in conditional formatting. So I'm going to highlight all the cells in question. And this one is really visual. I love this one the best. Conditional formatting, highlight cell rules greater than 400. Now I don't like the light red with dark, and there's lots of different combinations. I'm not really crazy, so I go to custom format. I go to fill. I like the bright yellow. Really makes it stand out. Go to font and make sure it's bold. Press OK. Press OK. So it's 1, 2. You can see there's 9 there. Now a other way to do it is with an if statement. Yes or no. Equals if this cell here is greater than 400, comma, valid if true, yes. Speech marks, comma, double speech marks means it's not going to put anything in there if the cell is not greater than 400. Now because the cell isn't greater than 400, it's put blank. Now you see this thing here, it's a little green square, a change from a thick white cross. If I double click that, it's called the fill handle. I can drag it down and it'll fill the formula in. But if I double click it, if there's already a list of numbers next to me, it'll fill it down to that. Cool. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's the COUNTIF, the if, and the conditional formatting. 3 different ways to show you if something is true. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.